Here I am trying to be a perfectionist. Look at this fucking thing. What do you mean perfectionist? I'm literally putting a diesel turbo on an old fucking Mercedes. I'm not looking for crazy horsepower or anything. I'm looking to weld the diff and go light it up. Shit's about to go down. So a little introduction. This right here is the Mercedes M119 5-liter V8. This one is the 11:1 compression ratio one. So it makes around like 340 horsepower stock. And essentially I'm gonna put a big fucking turbo on her. So here's our turbo. It's just a Garrett T4 off of a F350. And the issue I'm going to have with it, which I already am aware of, is it's got the VGT thing right here. It's like variable geometry, or I don't even know. Anyways, hopefully when they unplugged it from the truck it was in a good position, because otherwise I don't know what I'm gonna do. You see, I'm not totally sure where I'm gonna route any exhaust pipe because it is tight. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. The only place I can see it being a possibility would be like right back through there and then up kind of in this area. But I don't know. I'm hoping to be running like 2.5, 3-inch pipe. And yeah, let's see if that'll even work. The guy who owned this thing before me put lowering springs in the front. It is low, dangerously low. That tire right there likes to go flat, and when it does, the bumper drags. So then the other issue I get with it is I gotta somehow go like that. Doesn't work. Boom. Now we are in business. Not fucking once do I like doing this. Now I gotta try and quickly. There we go. There's one. There's two. And there's three. So we're under here. It's a little tight. First thing I'm gonna do is unplug my O2 sensors because I cut the exhaust and did a really bad job welding it back together. Not my finest work. This fuck does not want to come unplugged at all. What? Why is this so much fucking different than my other car? My 95 isn't retarded like this. Oh, I found something. It unplugs from there. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Maybe I'm just the one who's retarded. Fucking never looked at this oil pan before, but holy cow, what happened here? Huh? What happened? Something's going on. I don't like it. I don't really care. So, I think I have an idea of how I'm gonna route this exhaust. So there's the manifold right now. I don't really... Oh God. Oh no. Okay, anyways, all good. So what I'm going to maybe do is connect this pipe with this pipe and maybe just put like a 3-inch hole on the top of the header and weld it. Oh, perfect. I found the other O2 plug-in. Just to give you a sense of how hard I'm relaxing here. She's a little tight and that fucking exhaust is hot. So, nice. Listen, I'm confused again. Here's our O2 sensor. That second one plugs in, but it plugs into something that then goes and connects to the transmission. I'm gonna unplug it. Right. Dodging the cat. Oh, exhaust leak who? Come on. Oh, fucking scary. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, that's a burn. I gotta grab gloves. Ah, fuck gloves. Okay, now I can pull this away. Right. aesthetic. Do this shit again without burning my hand. Again. Who's to say I don't just snap these tabs? Oh my fuck, I need 2 hands. Fuck off and unplug. Jesus Christ. Just fucking break that tab as well or what? Oh god. Ouch. Just keep burning. Alright, you know what? I need a screwdriver, but I have a knife with me. Can I cut it? No. Can I pry it? You would think so, but I also don't feel like cutting my hand in half. Can I saw it? I can saw it. We are talking. There we go. Fuck yourself. So I know I'm gonna need to dismantle this whole exhaust. I don't know if you can see it, but I sure as shit can. See the roof right there? Through all this shit? I think that's where I need to put a fucking exhaust. I realized I probably shouldn't get too horny about an exhaust before I even know what size this shit is. 225? Okay, I'll take that any day. So I got this chunk here. We use as a snipe, and it is OD 225. So, you know, if I add a tiny bit, but I'm just gonna see if I can get clearance with it or not. Honestly, before I do that, I kind of want to see if the car runs with those O2 sensors unplugged. Like, I don't know. Oh, I'm covering the camera. That's what I do know. Nice one, bud. Don't blow up. Okay. It works! Yeah, so I'm not totally sure what the fuck I'm gonna do here because this is kind of reminding me of me and your So really in this situation, I got no idea what to do. Because even if I do rear mount the turbo, where am I gonna fit a fucking... Like, what? Where am I gonna get air? How am I gonna fit anything through here? I think that might be the only option, is it back through there. But I don't know what kind of tube will actually go through there. So I guess what I'm thinking now might to be just to cut into here, cut a little hole there, weld a little exhaust, I guess, out, and then I should be able to bring it to wherever I really want it. And same thing for the other side. It looks like I should be able to kind of put a hole there, put a little exhaust pipe out, bring it to wherever the fuck I want, but I don't know how that will be for exhaust flow or if I'll choke the engine out, most likely, because that's a pretty big turbo to spool up. I can't really be wasting too much exhaust. I don't know, I'm gonna keep looking. Now, here's the thing. This exhaust is actually kind of tiny, right? That actually might work. There is a possibility that I could try and snake something this size, which honestly I think might be 225. I think that would fit. And then I could do my original idea of trying to link them together back here and then somehow feed it up through there. Oh, we're right there. There's plenty of spots where it can come through. I just need to find them. Another idea would be to take this exhaust right here and spin it around, get it 180 to try and get it through that hole there, because that's not too big. And then I might be able to route, oh nice, I might be able to route this behind, maybe. It does look possible. So I've been tossing around ideas. I found a little pipe that I could probably just chuck there, and then same thing with the other side. And I was thinking, oh, I could block off the other side and then bring this just out, but the pipe is tiny. It's like that. It's not gonna work for anything. I think I'm just gonna have to do it the right way and try and figure out how I can route one single chunk of exhaust, 2.25, somewhere through here. Shouldn't be terrible. It's going to be though. But yeah, that's so far where I'm at. Oh fuck. Alright. Here is my idea, and I'm gonna fucking go with it because here I am trying to be a perfectionist. Look at this fucking thing. What do you mean perfectionist? I'm literally putting a diesel turbo on an old fucking Mercedes. I'm not looking for crazy horsepower or anything. I'm looking to weld the diff and go light it up. Like if I can get 500 horsepower, that would be nuts. That would be perfect, and I have a hard time believing that I'm not going to be able to get that. I just need to make sure that I can spool up the turbo, which I should be able to. And if I don't, then I'll have to come back to it and do it all again. But as long as I don't fuck with the headers, then I should be able to easily find replacement parts. I'm just fucking convincing myself here at this point that it's a good idea. Pretty much, you can see right there, there's our O2 sensor. So my plan is to use that hole there, weld whatever to it, and then try and get it up through here. Now that, the smallest gap is what? Like, it's honestly pretty roomy. I just have this transfill. I'm pretty sure it's a transfill. I imagine, yeah. And then a couple vacuum lines, another little hose here. But if it blows, it blows. That's kind of my whole thing. Is I don't give a fuck. I just feel like doing it. So I'm gonna try. So I'm going to right here, these two guys. I'm gonna essentially try and put them together. I gotta grab a measurement. Oh no, I don't. Well, I'm gonna grab a measurement anyways of the gap between them, but it's gonna be a pretty abrupt turn either way, so that'll happen. The fucking phone battery is about to die, but undid that. That's right off of the head. A header, exhaust, manifold, whatever the fuck. Got that off, which is good, but the issue was I couldn't do the other side. Why am I zoomed in? I couldn't do the other side. I couldn't get at it unless I had a swivel, which I don't have one here, and I'd have to go home, but I drove here in this thing, and it's kind of on jack stands, and anyways, but I lucked out because for some fucking reason, there's a flange here. So I can just disconnect the flange, weld up this underbar, and do whatever I need welding on this side. Locked out. Fucking good day. Yeah, now I need a fucking 1/2 inch swivel, of course, but that's okay.